pinakaabangang piritan sa telebisyon. Mas lalo pinalaki at mas pinatindi ang hamon. This time, ang piyesa at areglo, sila mismo ang pumili. Sila mismo ang may gusto.
Ang original na kumanta ng awiting ito ay isa sa pinakamay magandang boses na narinig ko. Kaya gusto kong gawin yung song dahil na-challenge ako sa malaro niyang style. Tsaka malaro siya pero hindi siya birit. So I hope I can do justice with this song.
Yung ma-outdo mo yung sarili mo, yun na yata yung pinakamahirap.
Pressure ito. Dito natin malalaman kung ano pa ang kaya kong ibigay.
Ay nako, wag sana ako himatayin on stage.
Wala nang atrasan. Ito na ang maximum level of biritan.
Jaya, Kyla, Kriza, Francesca, Mary Chris, Julianne, Isel, Jonalyn. This is Philippine TV at its finest. As the divas set the bar higher and showcase their greatest performance ever. Vox.
Lately I have had this strangest feeling with no vivid reasons here to find. Yet the thought of losing you's been hanging round my mind. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition misses, but what a relief feel. My eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always start to cry. 'Cause it's time could mean good. Goodbye, goodbye. this means goodbye. Sa bawat pag-ikot ng ating buhay, may oras kailangan na maghiwalay. Puso'y lumaban man, walang magagawa. Saan ka, kailan ka muling mahahagan? Oh